Welcome to Cosmic Discoveries. For millennia, humanity has turned its eyes to the heavens, captivated by the celestial dance above. We've charted constellations, predicted eclipses, and spun countless myths around the twinkling lights. But one question has echoed through the ages, a question that resonates deep within our souls. Are we alone? Is there other intelligent life out there among the stars? Today, June 27th, 2025, we stand on the precipice of a profound revelation, a moment that could redefine our place in the cosmos. The world is holding its breath, unaware of the seismic shift about to occur. A signal, persistent, strange, and undeniably artificial, has been detected emanating from the inky blackness of deep space. It's a whisper from the void, a cosmic echo that challenges everything we thought we knew. It's unlike anything we've ever encountered, defying easy categorization and sparking intense debate. This enigmatic signal is a mystery that has electrified scientists across the globe and stirred a profound sense of awe and wonder in the hearts of many. This is not science fiction dreamed up in the mind of a writer, but a verifiable science fact unfolding in real time before our very eyes. The implications are staggering, and the journey of discovery has only just begun. An instrument of immense power and unparalleled sensitivity, a sentinel scanning the skies, intercepted a message unlike any other. It carries no clear sender identification, no readily decipherable structure, and no known language. The implications are staggering, forcing us to confront possibilities once relegated to the realm of imagination and science fiction. What does this signal mean? Who or what sent it? And what are the potential consequences of making contact? Is this a natural cosmic symphony, a phenomenon we simply haven't understood until now, or is it something far more profound? A deliberate message from another civilization reaching out across the vast gulf of space. The discovery began quietly, almost imperceptibly, with a subtle flicker of data on a screen, a faint, anomalous pattern where, according to all our models, none should be. This single, unassuming observation, initially dismissed as a glitch, has since sent ripples of excitement and intense scrutiny throughout the global scientific community. We are at the very beginning of a story that promises to be unlike any other in human history. Standing at the edge of a vast, unexplored ocean, having just heard a single, inexplicable sound emanating from its mysterious depths. Perhaps the universe has finally decided to speak, to reveal a secret long hidden. Or perhaps it was simply a sigh in its eternal sleep, a cosmic murmur we were never meant to hear. Our challenge now is to listen with unwavering focus, to analyze with meticulous care, and to try to understand what this whisper from the void is ultimately telling us about our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. To understand the signal, we must first understand the instrument that heard it. The James Webb Space Telescope is humanity's most powerful eye on the universe. Stationed 1 million miles from Earth, it observes the cosmos with unmatched clarity. Its golden mirror captures the faintest, oldest light, looking back over 13 billion years. Webb's true power is in the infrared, revealing what's hidden behind cosmic dust. It was built to answer questions about our origins, but instead it stumbled upon something new. During a deep-field survey, its instruments picked up the anomaly. The telescope wasn't searching for this. It found us. The eye we built to see the dawn of time may have just glimpsed something else entirely. The detection was subtle at first, a mere whisper amidst the cosmic symphony of background radiation. It was the kind of anomaly that could easily be dismissed, a fleeting blip on the radar of scientific observation. But something about it caught the attention of the team, a nagging feeling that there was more to this faint signal than met the eye. It was a repeating pattern in the data, a sequence that defied the randomness of the universe. The regularity was almost hypnotic, a digital echo resonating across the vast emptiness of space. It was as if the cosmos itself was trying to communicate, sending a message encoded in the language of mathematics. Computers filtered out known interference, from terrestrial radio waves to the hum of the observatory itself, but the signal persisted. It stubbornly remained, a digital ghost refusing to be exorcised by the tools of modern science. The more they tried to eliminate it, the clearer it became. It wasn't from the telescope or Earth, bouncing off satellites or atmospheric phenomena, but from a fixed point in the sky, traced back to the constellation Vulpecula. This eliminated any possibility of local interference, confirming that the signal originated from far beyond our solar system. Unlike natural cosmic noise, which is a broad spectrum of frequencies, this was a narrow-band signal, highly unusual. Natural phenomena tend to produce a wide range of electromagnetic radiation, but this signal was focused, concentrated on a very specific frequency. It was a single clear note, not a chaotic shout, cutting through the static of the universe with an almost unnerving clarity. It possessed a purity that defied explanation, a tone so distinct that it seemed artificially created. The pattern repeated with mathematical precision, suggesting information, a deliberate structure hinting at intelligence. It wasn't just a random burst of energy, it was a sequence, a code, a language waiting to be deciphered. Scientists traced it to a star system 30 light-years away, HD 189733, a K-type orange dwarf, a star smaller and cooler than our own sun. This distant sun became the prime suspect, the potential source of the mysterious transmission. The signal didn't come from the known planet or the star itself, but from a point within the system, a location where a rocky planet could exist, orbiting within the habitable zone. This hypothetical planet became the focal point of the investigation, a potential cradle of life and the origin of the signal. Months of meticulous checks ruled out every conceivable natural explanation. The team worked tirelessly, exploring every avenue, testing every hypothesis, but the signal remained stubbornly unexplained. No stellar flare, no gravitational lensing. Every door led to a dead end, each theory collapsing under the weight of the evidence, or lack thereof. Frustration mounted as the team struggled to make sense of the inexplicable. The inescapable conclusion, a signal with characteristics unlike any known natural phenomenon, a true anomaly that defied the established laws of physics and astronomy. It was a puzzle with no solution, a mystery wrapped in an enigma. The data is clean, the source is fixed, and the message, whatever it is, awaits understanding, a challenge to our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It beckons us to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of knowledge and to confront the possibility that we are not alone. The mystery deepens, pulling us further into the cosmic unknown, urging us to unravel the secrets hidden within the stars. What does this signal mean, and who or what sent it? The search for answers has only just begun. Let's delve deeper, let's look closer at the signal and examine its unique characteristics. We need to understand what makes this signal so different from the background noise of the universe. What secrets are hidden within its structure? Its incredibly narrow bandwidth is alarming. It's not a wide, dispersed wave, but a focused, concentrated stream of energy. This precision is highly unusual in the natural world. It's like a single finger deliberately pressing one piano key, producing a clear, distinct tone, not a chaotic mash of sounds. This level of control suggests intention. No known natural process focuses energy so precisely and efficiently. Natural phenomena tend to be messy and dispersed, not tightly controlled like this. This efficiency, this pinpoint accuracy, is the hallmark of technology, the signature of a deliberate creator. It speaks of advanced engineering and a deep understanding of physics. The signal's pulses are complex, varying in frequency, shifting and modulating in ways that defy simple explanation. Amplitude, the strength of the signal, waxes and wanes in a structured manner, not randomly. And polarization, the orientation of the wave changes, adding another layer of complexity to the signal's structure. It's not just a beacon, a simple marker, it's a broadcast, carefully constructed to carry a message, a communication intended for someone to receive and understand. Scientists search for mathematical constants or recognizable patterns within the signal, hoping to find a key, a Rosetta Stone that will unlock its meaning. But so far the language remains alien, a series of complex symbols and structures that resist our attempts at decipherment. The energy required to send such a signal across 30 light-years is immense, a staggering amount of power. It's far beyond our current capabilities, exceeding the limits of our most advanced technology. This suggests a civilization with a mastery of physics far ahead of ours, a society capable of harnessing energy on a scale we can only imagine. A narrow, focused beam, a complex, information-rich pattern, enormous power. These are the fingerprints of intelligence, the unmistakable signs of a technologically advanced civilization. SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, has long imagined that a message from another world would look something like this. The signal emanating from the direction of exoplanet HD 189733 fits this description with unnerving perfection, raising profound questions about our place in the universe. The question is no longer just what is it? What is the nature of this strange and powerful signal? But who sent it? Who is reaching out across the vast gulf of space, and what do they want to say? If this signal is artificial, it's the greatest discovery in human history. The loneliness of the cosmos would be broken. We'd be part of a larger galactic community, but what kind of intelligence sent it? The signal we received today was sent in 1995. Was it a deliberate beacon, or something we weren't meant to overhear? The structure suggests intent, but the purpose is unknown. Greeting, warning, or something else? If a civilization can generate such power, what are its intentions? The signal could be an announcement, a claim, or a warning. It's a mirror forcing us to decide how we'll face the greatest unknown. After the discovery, there's been a curious silence from the scientific community. Space agencies confirm they're analyzing anomalous data, but key scientists are unavailable. The burden of proof is immense. No one wants to cry aliens prematurely. Teams are working around the clock, exhausting every natural explanation. But there's also debate. Some push for transparency, others for caution. Should the data be released to all or studied in secret to avoid panic? Behind closed doors, humanity faces a decision. How do we handle first contact? Humanity stands at a crossroads. One path is opportunity. The signal could unlock new science, technology, even a roadmap to the stars. The other path is warning. Perhaps the universe is silent for a reason. Broadcasting our existence could attract danger. The signal might be an invitation or a cautionary tale. Do we respond with curiosity or caution? Sending a reply would announce our presence. Silence might be safer. The discovery challenges us to act as a unified species. Can we set aside differences to face this cosmic question together? The universe is asking if we're ready for this new reality. Our answer will shape our future among the stars. Today, June 27th, 2025, marks the start of a new chapter. The signal from HD 189733 continues, a steady pulse from across the void. The universe is more mysterious than we imagined. Scientists work tirelessly to decode the message. The journey for answers has just begun. The silence is broken. We can never go back to believing we're alone. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. For Cosmic Discoveries, I'm Morgan Freeman. Keep watching the skies.